Hello, welcome to Complete Health Initiative's YouTube channel. My name's Diana Connolly. I am a certified light therapy instructor, and I've been using light for over 10 years. Most of my experience comes from working on horses, dogs, cats, and people. However, light can be used on a variety of animals. In fact, the first time I ever saw light being used, it was on a horse. The horse had kicked out a trailer and was really injured. It was in a lot of pain. I can't remember exactly what was wrong. I think a lot of hind end stuff as it was kicking out the trailer. I watched a family member actually go up to this horse and put light on certain areas, and turns out those areas are acupuncture points, but we'll get into that later on this channel. So I watched this horse go from being in intense pain, head held high, don't touch me. It was scared if somebody got near it because it didn't want to hurt anymore, and put it light in these particular areas, and the horse began to get more subtle. If you're not a horse person, a horse will start to lick and chew, and he may have yawned a lot, but what I do recall is that he went from being so tense to being much more relaxed, much more tender, less in pain, and allowing people now to be able to go and tend to him. So that's when I first saw light, and I couldn't believe my eyes. I know that the horse can't lie to us. It wasn't all made up. And I thought, people have to know about this. People have to try this out and have it in their homes. Obviously, you want to have a quality product, and there's lots to learn, and there's lots to know about different colors and different wavelengths and nanometers and all of those things. You don't have to know everything though to get started. You know, it's like electricity. I just turn on a light switch now and I use electricity. Same thing with light therapy. You can just get started by putting it on a cut or a bruise and seeing how it goes for you there. For a long time now, I've been envisioning a future where light therapy, which is also known as photobiomodulation, is a household staple. You can use it for everything from managing chronic pain to wound recovery, muscle soreness, acne. I use it every day. I use it as a preventative thing for my overall health and wellness. I practice using light therapy in many different ways every day, and we'll get into that here on this channel. Light therapy is a natural, safe, effective way to support your whole body and your animals' bodies as well. Imagine being able to access light therapy whenever and wherever you needed it. This channel is dedicated to help you discover the transformative power of light therapy. Whether you're seeking relief from pain, inflammation, rashes, acne, or any other health challenges, we'll provide you with the knowledge and the tools you'll need to incorporate light therapy into your daily lives. In this opening video for the channel, we'll discuss just a little bit about how light therapy works. Light therapy works by stimulating your body's natural healing processes. By exposing cells to certain wavelengths of light, we can increase circulation, decrease pain and inflammation, and increase the repair materials brought in by the body. So what are the key benefits of light therapy? What can it do for you? Well, there's 4 key benefits that I'd like to talk about referencing light therapy. 1, it's going to increase circulation. Now, we're not talking about a thermal effect like a hot pad would have against the skin for increasing circulation. We're talking about a chemical effect, very similar to photosynthesis. Photobiomodulation, modulating the biology with photons, is a chemical response that your body naturally has when the light touches the skin or the light hits those cells. So 1, we're going to increase circulation. The blood vessels are going to dilate. That's going to allow more blood flow to come through, more repair materials that the body naturally makes to come through. But it's also going to push out toxins and inflammation and some of the yucky stuff that your body doesn't need and needs to push out in order for this new stuff to come in and make everything better. It's a simple way to talk about it anyway. So that was 1. Then 2, we're going to reduce inflammation. So 1, we're increasing circulation. 2, we're reducing inflammation, and that makes sense. If your blood vessels and your capillaries and everything are getting vasodilated, they're getting bigger, then more blood flow is coming through, and just as I was talking about, we're pushing out the toxins and the inflammation, the swelling, all of that. We're driving in new blood flow, so we're reducing inflammation. 3, we're promoting healing and tissue repair. It's all a cascade of that increased circulation. Circulation comes in, it's pushing out the inflammation, it's bringing in repair materials, and we'll talk more about the science of these things on this channel. This is just a high-level understanding of things right now. But it's going to bring in more repair materials faster, it's going to push out all the inflammation and toxins faster, and so it's going to help your body heal faster. It's just going to promote it at a greater level. So what's an example of that? Here's a really simple, easy example of that. Let's say you get a paper cut, and paper cuts clear up in a day or two, 3, depending on how deep it is, right? They're annoying. Squeeze some lemon, some lime, and it hurts. But in a few days, you get over it, you get past it, and it's healed up. If you apply light to that paper cut, it's just going to naturally increase the circulation, reduce the inflammation, the redness, that's the swelling a little bit there. So it's going to increase the circulation, it's going to decrease that pain and inflammation and the swelling around the cut, and it's going to allow the body to repair itself better. 4, and one of the things I find most interesting about red light therapy specifically, is that it activates acupuncture points. So we're going to talk a lot about that on this channel. It's going to be really interesting. I like to think of the acupuncture points as buttons all over our body. So, there's a point here, there's a point here, there's a point here, and we can take our light and we can shine it on those points. We're going to talk a lot about it on this channel, so subscribe below. We'll provide you with step-by-step guidance on how to use light therapy devices effectively. Choosing the right device for your needs. We'll discuss things like price points, warranties, tools, etc. Proper application techniques, specifically for targeted light therapy, referencing a dermatome map, acupuncture points, using the body's systems and increasing circulation to help support those systems better. And we'll certainly discuss how you can use light for your animals' ailments as well. Light therapy can also contribute to your mental and emotional well-being. We'll discuss how to increase body awareness, like when you feel a cold coming on and your throat gets scratchy, or when you're dehydrated. Just being aware of those things is huge for your health and wellness. We'll cultivate a more balanced lifestyle, and we'll take action with confidence using light. Subscribe to our channel and make sure to stay up to date on any new tutorials, tips, light therapy discussions, and resources related to light therapy. While light therapy can be a valuable tool for your health and wellness, always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. Comment below and let us know if you're using light therapy. As light therapy continues to grow and photobiomodulation continues to grow more and more in the studies that it has, I hope as a certified light therapy instructor, I'm able to impart some knowledge and wisdom so you can make smart decisions on what products are best for you, your lifestyle, your animals, and so that you can understand where it's best to place the light so that you can get the results that you want and need. Head on over to our shop and check out products that we've already vetted from manufacturers that we already trust, and see the lights that we use and will be talking about on this channel.